Hey fam, Chichi here. Welcome back. One of you lovely subbies whose name escapes me right now, so I'm just gonna put your comment right here. Asked if I could show my perfume setup, you know, my little perfume counter as I like to call it. So yeah, I figured we can do this kind of vlog style, and yeah, I'll just show you my perfume collection at a glance. But if you're new here, hey, I'm Chichi and I talk about all things lavish but logical. So if that's your sort of thing, go ahead, subscribe, make some friends in the comment section, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I keep all of my stuff in this Ikea Pax system with the Grimo doors on it. Really love it. I have the highest height, the widest width, and the deepest depth. But everything is Ikea. I will have it all linked, the handles, everything. But I really love the system. This is how it's looking. Now the piece de resistance. Here it is, guys. All right, so get a look, get a load, get a look, get a load. Okay, she's doing a little solid here. Okay, so this is my perfume collection at a glance, and so far I've really loved this setup. Everything is still a work in progress, of course. This section right here is kind of my niche section, and they're all on, you know, the risers or whatever. And I love this. If you followed me on Instagram when I was trying to find these acrylic risers, I did a whole friggin' test on it, and I landed on these, which I love because it's one continuous piece going up, and they have these removable arms right here, so nothing falls off, you know. So that's why I really like it. I just didn't put the arms on the side and in the middle. But if you ever need the acrylic risers, make sure you get them that are like continuous like this. Like you see, you can't put your finger through it. If you get the ones that you can put your finger through, return it immediately, because what will happen is these perfume bottles, they heavy, girl. So one day you're gonna wake up and all of your perfumes are gonna be on the floor. So in order to prevent that, always get the ones that are continuous, okay? It's gonna save you a lot of heartache. You see how many bottles I got up on here. I'm gonna link it. My Amazon store is forever closed, so I have to do a new one. But I might just link what these are, and I just won't get like a commission or anything. I'll just share the information with y'all. You know, Amazon, they be playing with my emotions. But anyway, it comes in a set of 2. I want to say it was like $30. A little bit more expensive than the other ones, but you want security, okay? So that's the reason why I went with it. It's actually 1, 2, 3, 4 tiers. Actually, but because I just pushed my other perfumes like in front of it, this is where it stops, and you don't have to like put the bottom on. You don't have to attach it. I know there's a couple of risers that you have to attach it. I don't like that. So yeah, I was like, this one is the best one that I found. So my thought process in like setting this up is, in order to get on these risers, you needed to be a duo, a trio, quartet, something. So everyone has a sibling, okay? Siblings only in this whole freaking section. So that's what I really like, but it makes me feel like I'm literally at a perfume counter. So moving on to this section, this is the rest of my niche collection. In this little row, this is my solo dolo line. This is all the ones that's just flying solo. Like, they ain't got no homies yet. It will change at some point, but I really like it, and you know, you can expand and stuff like that. So I vibes with it. And then these are my problem children. So I absolutely hate Bond bottles. Like, it's the worst bottles in my opinion. They're too big, they're too bulky, so they definitely weren't going on the shelf because it would have taken up too much space. So I just got them chilling like this. It's cool. And then I got the House of Sillage right here. House of Sillage. I really want to like upgrade them. I kind of want like Hufflepuff. I want to say the not Sweet Dreams, the the yellow one. I forget the name of it. And like Wonder Woman. Like, I just want to upgrade it. Minnie, she's staying. She's staying. I also thought about putting him in front like this, but it messed up the vibe. So they're just lined up like that. And then this is my designer aisles right here. And you know, I still see it. Clearly, I'm a huge Burberry fan and YSL. So yeah, these are a few of my designer fragrances chilling right there. And then these two, these are just my little travels. I only put them up here because they're actual like little bottles. So I was like, okay, we could put you guys here. And plus it's red and yellow. Red and yellow. Oh God, girl, get it together. Red and blue. So I was like, y'all can just hang out here. So I'm also going to show you guys this section right here. This is where I keep like all my body oils and body lotions and stuff. So, you know, give you a little peeky peek. You know, got the brown sugar babe. I'm trying this right now. This is really huge on TikTok. I also have the this one too. I'm gonna tell y'all about it too. But yeah, I just got these, so that will be, I might as well just pop it in here. It's fine. You know, I got my Fenty. Got this one is so good, so good. You know, got the Kiehl's. Simply Aisha used to talk about this, and she's the one who influenced me on this, and I really love that. You know, the DELINA. Still upset about Laura Mercier changing the packaging, adding more money, and giving us less product. I don't have the coconut one, so I'm like, I'm mad, but I do like this one more than creme brulee though. And you know, sis got her hair perfumes right here. Got the Bonds, got the Dior, got that Bath and Body Works. Then, you know, my body oils. You know, the shimmer. You know, gotta get that Baccarat. Then my perfume Nest oils. Got that little vanilla musk popping off. And then, you know, Bath and Body Works lociones all here. This is my Famine. I have it kind of like trying to macerate a little bit quickly. So allegedly, if you put this, you know, spray a couple sprays and then like leave the cap off and, you know, keep it in a nice dark place, it's supposed to like help speed up maceration. I can't tell you if it's true or not, but we're gonna test it. But yeah, that's where I have my stuff. In the back right here, I have some backup bottles, things that I'm not sure of, and some older, you know, bottles. You can see Bitter Peach has been reduced down to here. So that's where I keep like, you know, stuff that I'm not really reaching for. And then this drawer, listen, I don't want no judgment, but you know what I do on this channel. So this is my sample drawer. A lot going on here. All of my samples. I'm a huge sampler, obviously. That's why my collection is the way it is. You know, I purchase everything with the exception of Marfa. I was gifted that. I was very happy I was gifted that because I would buy it on my own. But anywho, this is all my perfume samples and things like that. I really need to get back into sampling. But yeah, she took a little pause, but I'm gonna be right back. But these acrylic things, I think I got it from like TJ Maxx or something like that. They also are on Amazon if I can find them. I'll link some for you. But I want to show you this particular box, right? So this is my sample box. Anytime I've reviewed something for you guys, this is what I do with it. So some of my labels are stupid. Like Winner Circle is basically you've upgraded to the full bottle. These are the samples that I tend to give out to like friends and family because sis has the full bottle and I still want you all to experience it. So I tend to give my friends and family that. You know, I got Big Bottle Energy. These are my next purchases. It's like, yes, I want you. I need you. Like preview. Yeah, Atomic Rose. At some point she's coming home with me, but you know, I let me likey, you know, she cute or whatever. We got, what is this? Focus now. We got Spin the Block. Jury's still out on that. Golden Girls. That means she had to smell like an old lady. That's a Man. that means it was masculine for me. And then hell no. Yeah, there's quite a few in hell no. But I like doing this because I like spinning the block on certain ones, you know, just to reacquaint myself, making sure, you know, I like it or don't like it. So before I make a decision, because sometimes, you know, you just gotta check stuff. But this is my entire like setup, and then right here is all my travel perfumes. So I like to actually buy travel perfumes when they're designer. Like I think now, especially going forward, I'm just gonna buy like the travel joints first and then upgrade to the big bottles. But yeah, that's pretty much my perfume setup, guys. Really quick video. I mean, ain't not much to it. I'm very happy with my collection though. Very, very happy. And I hope to add a little bit more, but I don't want it so big that it's overwhelming, you know? But I'm enjoying using all my perfumes and how it's displayed right now. Again, it's still a little work in progress, but we getting hot together, especially that sample drawer. Ciao. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out some of my other videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.